In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your site logo and title in Elementor. We'll start right inside your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical menu. Look for the item labeled Elementor. Hover your mouse over it to reveal more options. From the options that appear, click on Editor to open the Elementor editor. Once the editor loads, shift your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see an option called Edit Site. Go ahead and click that. This takes you into Elementor's site editor, which is where you can manage global settings like your logo and site title. Now, look to the very top left corner of the editor. You should see the Elementor logo. Click on that logo to open the main Elementor panel. A drop-down menu will appear, and from this menu, choose Settings. Inside the Settings panel, you'll see several options. Find and click on Site Identity. This is the section where you control your site name and logo so they stay consistent across your entire website. In the Site Identity area, you'll first see a field labeled Site Name or Site Title. Click into that field and type in the title you want for your website. This is often what visitors see in the Browser tab and sometimes in theme locations like the header, so choose something clear and recognizable for your brand. Just below the title field, you'll see the option for your site logo. When you hover your cursor over the logo area, you'll get choices such as Choose Image or Choose SVG. For this walkthrough, we'll go with Choose Image. Click Choose Image and a pop-up window will appear. This is your WordPress media modal. From here, you can pick an existing image from the media library, upload a new file from your computer, or even provide an image via a URL. Select the logo file you want to use, and when you're satisfied with your choice, click the Select button at the bottom right of the pop-up. You'll now see your new logo and updated site title reflected in the preview. Take a moment to confirm that everything looks correct. Once you're happy with how it appears, look at the bottom of the left panel in Elementor and click the button to save or update your changes. And that's it. You've successfully updated your site logo and title using Elementor.